Hello everybody. Hey, I've got someone here you might recognise. It's Paddington, and I've been commissioned to make Paddington in Peru to coincide with the new film that's come out. My client's given me a whole list of his friends, his forest friends. So we've got a toucan, which is my normal toucan. There's a sloth, which I'm really pleased with because there's a colour in the glass called mink, which is exactly the colour of the sloth. We've got a snake, we've got a parakeet, and hidden is the tree frog. I don't mind that they're merging in, that they're sort of blending in, almost camouflaged with the background, because that's what it's like in the forest anyway, isn't it? And Paddington stands out. I was a bit worried about this commission, but once I'd got Paddington looking like Paddington, clearly recognisable, I knew it was all going to be fine. And I'm really pleased with the results. My client also asked for oranges. And this isn't a realistic mosaic by any stretch. None of the animals are anatomically correct or anything like that. So the fruits are really Martin cheek orange fruits as opposed to oranges. And as always, I've written an accompanying verse, which I think explains the whole thing better than I just managed. Anyway, it goes like this. Paddington in Peru. I've been asked to make Paddington in Peru. Seen in the forest with all his friends too. He hails from there, so he knows the language, and I've even remembered his marmalade sandwich.